This is how to connect Trust Wallet to JumpTask. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to connect your JMPT token wallet address on Trust Wallet to your JumpTask platform. This will help you to collect your money and get paid so that you'll be able to withdraw your earned JMPT token very fast. If you are here for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me that big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. This will help you to always get this kind of tutorials and different ways to make money online via affiliate marketing every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. For you to successfully connect your Trust Wallet to JumpTask, you need to set up your Trust Wallet first on your mobile app. That is, be able to import and add your JMPT token to your Trust Wallet. You can watch this video to see how to set it up. After you must have done that, you log on to your JumpTask mobile app. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this profile to run this demo. So for you to connect your Trust Wallet, you tap this your profile image. You tap that. You are going to see your username. You can edit it by tapping here. This is your JumpTask account ID. You scroll down. Don't forget, the objective of what we are doing is to be able to withdraw this money to your Trust Wallet. So we are here to link your Trust Wallet JMPT token address to your JumpTask platform. You can see add a wallet via desktop or mobile browser for payout. So it is usually very easy if you are doing this through PC, but I'm using mobile app because a lot of people are using phones, so it'll be easy for them to learn how to do this. So you can see this too. By the time you come here, you tap my wallet. You'll be able to see the same thing. So to add your Trust Wallet that you've already set up and install on your mobile app, so you tap here, add wallet address. So you tap connect wallet address. You tap connect wallet. You are going to see list of different wallets that you can use. Our objective is to use Trust Wallet that has been prepared and set up on your phone. But if you are using other wallet, you can as well set up all these wallets on your mobile phone. But we are using Trust Wallet. You tap Trust Wallet. I'm logging into my Trust Wallet now. I will tap connect. So I will sign in now. I will tap sign in. I will use my password on Trust Wallet. That is to confirm it. To know if you've connected your Trust Wallet successfully to JumpTask, you go back to your JumpTask app. After you log in and log out again, you will see that your Trust Wallet has been connected successfully to your JumpTask. If you tap my wallet here, my wallet, you will see that this is my Trust Wallet address for JMPT token. Look at it. It starts with 0SB8F. This is inside of my Trust Wallet. You scroll down, you tap manage crypto. Look at JMPT token. You tap JMPT token. You tap receive. Look at it. This is the same wallet address in my JumpTask mobile app. Look at it. Let me show you again. If you tap here, tap my wallet, you see that this is the same wallet as the wallet address in my Trust Wallet. So you now know how to connect your Trust Wallet to your JumpTask platform. You can now withdraw your JumpTask earnings to your Trust Wallet. You can now link and connect your Trust Wallet to your JumpTask platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, drop your comments. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.